Hi, my name is Sherry Amin and welcome to Weekends with ZALORA. Today, ZALORA has sent me on a staycation with my best friends at the Chow Kit hotel. And for this video, I'm gonna be trying out 3 different outfits that are inspired by 3 different celebrity style inspos of my choice. I'm gonna make my friends guess who these outfits are inspired by. So let's go to outfit number 1. This is outfit number 1. This is my running errands, going to a meeting, going to a cafe, meeting my girlfriends kind of look. And this was inspired by Rosie Huntington, the queen of neutral color palettes. I love her. She's like my #1 style icon when it comes to like looking really put together without really trying. She's the kind of woman that has money, but she doesn't need to tell you. You just kind of know, you know? So I feel like this is a very Rosie Huntington look because of the knitted nude dress. I think she's worn like a couple knitted nude dresses that I've seen on Pinterest and I've copied. This dress is from Trendyol and the shoes are from Nurita Harith for Milliot & Co. I usually stay away from open-toed sandals because I don't like to see toes. I have this thing where I feel like toes don't need to be exposed, right? So when it comes to like okay, so when it comes to a good open toe sandal, I'm very particular, and this is like one of the best ones that I found because it doesn't make you look at the toes. It's just it makes your toes look put together. So yeah, I don't know, you get what I mean? Like it's not a basic sandal. It's cool. I like it. And I'm gonna pair this with this big old bag from H&M. I don't know what you call this type of bag, this design. It's huge. I stuff everything in here. Like I have my pencil case, I have my book, I have educated, I have my wet wipes, I have my card holder, I have everything in here. So this is the perfect bag for a woman on the go. You know, you can throw your iPad in here, your laptop in here, your child in here. This is the perfect bag for a woman with a life who has things to do and places to go. I'm gonna meet my friends at Rumah Tangsi for Indah Market, which is a market of a collection of local vendors. This happens every weekend at Rumah Tangsi. You can check it out. I'll put the tag here on Instagram. So yeah, I'm gonna go meet my friends and go hang out and enjoy the town and just live life. My outfit is inspired by one celebrity. Can you guess what celebrity this outfit was inspired by?
I know for a fact.
Well, who is it?
I know who. Kim.
It's not.
Wait, is she a singer or actress?
She was in one movie. She's a model.
Miranda Kerr?
No. Close.
Namrata?
Close. Come on. She's married to a bald man.
Oh, Rosie.
Yeah. So this is outfit number 2 for a girls' night out, for a dinner out in the city. This is inspired by Miss Hailey Bieber, the queen of street style. I'm in love with her street style. She's all over my Pinterest as well. And I reference her a lot when I want to go out at night. I love her nighttime looks. I love her party outfits just because there's always not too much going on. And I like a simpler outfit when I go out at night. I'm wearing a black halter neck dress from Mango. It's, I think, very fitting, very hugging. I like to pull her up so she's a little bit more fun. And I paired it with a black basic blazer from ZALORA. I think every girl needs one black basic blazer for the office, for the streets, for the night outs. You can just use it for anything. And I also paired it with black strappy heels from Milliot & Co. And it comes with this really cute detail at the heel, which looks like bubbles. So I think it's really cute. And I'm gonna use this tiny bag. It's not that tiny, but it could be tinier. It could be a lot smaller than this. I think all you need is your card holder, your lip gloss, your keys. That's about it, and you're ready to go. Me and my girlfriends are having dinner downstairs at the hotel's restaurant, the Chow Kit kitchen and bar, I think. I've eaten there so many times. I love the food. It's like fusion Malaysian food, and the people there are so lovely. So I'm very excited.
Change of plans. So I dragged her out, and now we're eating at our favorite Japanese restaurant, Kingu Kongu. Kingu Kongu is owned by our friend, so we come here to support him, but also the food's really good.
What celebrity do you think this outfit is inspired by?
Don't look at her.
They all look the same, I love it.
Who do you think?
Either like Hailey, because I think it's Hailey because she loves her hair like that. So it's either
Okay.
Hailey, or what's the other one? Bella.
Okay.
I'll give you three choices. It's
Okay.
either Hailey, Abrata, or Kendall. I think it's Hailey.
It's Haley. You guys are right. Oh my gosh.
Okay, we're gonna eat now. Bye. So this is my final look. This is my third outfit, and this outfit is for our brunch days, our cafe hopping days, and it's super comfortable, super versatile. Oh, see, I threw a big word out there, but this outfit was inspired by Emily Ratajkowski. I think that's how you pronounce her name, and she is the woman who has perfected the model of duty look, and I'm pretty sure she has this exact outfit. She's worn this exact outfit before. This top is from COS, this white button-down shirt, and the pants is also from COS, these trousers, and I love COS. I just discovered them this year, and all of their basic pieces are so worth the money, such good quality. These are the pieces that you kind of invest in and you kind of wear multiple times, because here's the deal. Hot girls, they wear outfits. They repeat their outfits. Hot girls are outfit repeaters because hot girls care about the environment, and we wear clothes more than one time. So COS is the place to shop if you want to be a hot girl, you know? So these are parachute pants, I believe. I love the shade and I love the fit. Not always do I get the right fit when it comes to pants because I'm tiny and I have a very petite frame. So, I mean, they did their job right. And also this bralette is from Trendyol and the shoes are from Ruby. I wanted to stick to like one color palette, like the nudes and the browns, because I think it's like so much calmer and you don't need to have a lot of things going. You're going to brunch. You just need to, oh, I forgot my bag, hold on. So I'm gonna be using this bag. I think it's from Forever New. It's the perfect size, not too small, not too big, because we're going to brunch. We don't need that many things, but we're also going to brunch, so we do need some things. And yeah, I think it's the right shade. Like I like that everything is in the same color, but it's within the same color palette. But yeah, my friends and I are gonna go cafe hopping today. We're gonna go to Kanta KL, a new cafe that we've never been to before. And my friends are big cafe girls. Like, we love cafe hopping. We love trying out new places. I'm not a huge caffeine girl just because caffeine gives me heart palpitations. I shake like a chihuahua when I drink a lot of coffee. So I tend to stick to my coffee mocktails, my cold brew, juices. I like my tea. There's caffeine in tea, so it'll keep me awake as well. But yeah, I'm excited to explore Kanta KL, Kanta Cafe. Yeah, with my friends. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Bye.
Oh. Wait. Candle dinner? No, close. No. 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 Yeah, that's it. Look at how everybody literally pulled up in a white shirt. So crazy. Burnt and salty. So good. Mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm.